Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI. My esthetician recently told me that over the age of 30, you really need to start using retinol every single night. And I was using other retinols before and they would irritate my skin. I would use them probably once to twice a week. I didn't necessarily enjoy the consistency. Until I found this one, I have noticed a huge difference in my skin. This is the Roche-Posay Retinol B3, and what I love most about it is that it does not irritate my skin. The texture and consistency is very smooth, it's hydrating, it's like a water gel base, so it's not oily at all. It soaks in your skin, and I can honestly say that I've seen improvement both in fine lines as well as blemishes. I notice that when I do get hormonal breakouts, that the following day after applying this, that the breakouts are not necessarily gone, but they shrink. They're so much smaller in size. So I am super impressed with this product and the fact that I finally found a retinol that I can use every single night without getting skin irritation. I've been recommending this to all of my friends and I think you will love it too. And that is my point of view.